The marketing industry is being exposed right now, and barely anyone's talking about it. AI isn't just replacing repetitive tasks, it's pulling back the curtain on how bloated, slow, and outdated most marketing teams really are. And here's the real punchline: it's not just about doing things faster, it's about doing things smarter, cheaper, and with fewer people. We're entering a new era where AI agents are the ones running campaigns, analyzing data, launching tests, and optimizing in real time. What used to take a team of 10 specialists can now be done by a solo operator with a few powerful tools and some basic system thinking. Welcome to Vibe Marketing, and if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and my mission is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools and prompts, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for my free guide in the video description or pinned comment below. Let's get into it. Because if you're still thinking about marketing in terms of campaigns, you're already behind. Vibe Marketing is a whole new operating model, and it's moving fast. So what exactly is Vibe Marketing? Think of it like this. Traditional marketing relied on large teams, long timelines, and static strategies. SEO people sat on one side, media buyers on another, and copywriters somewhere in the middle. Meetings, Slack threads, endless revisions. It was slow. Vibe Marketing flips that on its head. It's about turning marketing into a system of real-time automations, powered by AI agents that never sleep. These agents scrape data, surface insights, generate content, test angles, and refine messaging on the fly. And instead of one team launching a campaign in 2 weeks, Vibe marketers can launch 50 tests in a single day. Now, what made this shift possible? Three things happened at once. First, AI finally got good enough at core marketing tasks: writing, analyzing, designing, even deploying. Agents can now do it at a high level. Second, vibe coding tools like Replit and Bolt made it easy to build automations without needing to write code. And third, the cost of building custom tools collapsed. You can now create personalized workflows that once cost thousands for a few bucks and a good prompt. And that's the game changer, because now you don't need to be a developer. You don't need a team. You just need a system. Picture this: you're not just writing an email campaign, you're building a pipeline that scrapes Reddit for pain points in your niche, analyzes sentiment, generates copy ideas, tests subject lines with a language model, and deploys the highest performing version, all without touching your keyboard. And it keeps running while you're asleep. These systems are hunting for trends, writing content, engaging leads, and reporting back with insights. It's marketing on autopilot, but not in a gimmicky set it and forget it way. These are intelligent systems built for continuous learning and rapid iteration. So how do you get started? At the core of every Vibe marketing stack are a few key components. You need a Vibe coding platform like Replit or Bolt to handle the automation layer. You need a workflow orchestrator like N8N or Gumloop to manage your agents and connect data sources. You'll use tools like OpenRouter to access different AI models, and of course a data layer like Google Sheets to manage the flow of information. One workflow I've seen work incredibly well is what's called the Content Idea Engine. You set it up to scan specific subreddits for trending conversations in your niche. It pulls the most upvoted posts, summarizes the pain points using an LLM, and then turns those into content hooks, outlines, and briefs. Those get dropped into a Google Sheet, ready for you or your AI writer to turn into full pieces. You can even build it to go further: auto-generating LinkedIn posts, YouTube scripts, or entire newsletters. This isn't theoretical. I've seen this system in action, and it works. Another one that's becoming more common is the one-click CRM. Imagine running a podcast and wanting to line up 5 high-quality guests every week. Instead of manually researching and pitching, your system scrapes social profiles, scores potential guests based on relevance and engagement, drafts outreach emails, and stores everything in Airtable. Now your guest pipeline is running without a virtual assistant or an outreach agency. Or think about e-commerce. Using Vibe Marketing, you can create a pipeline that takes a product SKU, pulls customer reviews, analyzes competitive listings, and generates optimized product pages, including titles, bullets, backend terms, and even A+ content. That's copywriting, SEO, and conversion optimization, all wrapped into a single automated flow. Here's why this matters. The marketers who learn to think in systems are going to replace the ones who think in campaigns. Campaigns are finite, they're resource heavy, they end, systems don't. Systems learn, scale, and compound, and that's what separates a Vibe marketer from a traditional one. This is also where AI truly starts to replace, not just assist. AI isn't your intern anymore. It's your strategist, your copywriter, your media buyer, your data analyst. In the next 12 to 18 months, we'll see AI agents managing other agents, sharing context, and executing multi-step strategies without human input. All you'll need to do is tell your system, I want 50,000 new organic visitors this quarter, and it will figure out how to make that happen. I get that sounds futuristic, but if you look at what's already possible with tools like Claude, Perplexity, N8N, and Open Model Hubs, you'll see the pieces are already here. The marketers who are sleeping on this will get steamrolled by those who figure it out. So what makes a good vibe marketer? It's not technical skill, it's systems thinking. It's the ability to test relentlessly, learn fast, and stay curious. It's the willingness to front load value and build automations that can scale forever. If you're someone who's constantly asking, just how can I do this once and never touch it again? This is your moment. If you're not already building systems like these, you're not falling behind, you're already behind. But the good news is you can catch up fast. Most of these tools have free plans. You don't need a budget. You just need time, intention, and a little creativity. If this video opened your eyes to how marketing is changing, hit that like button and share it with someone who's still building campaigns the old way. And don't forget to download my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. It's packed with tools, prompts, and workflows to help you build smarter, not harder. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and remember, those boring, repetitive tasks you've been doing, let the agents handle it. You've got bigger things to build.